So, good evening, good evening. We are back again. 21 days till the season starts. 21 days. 3 weeks today. We play Wolves in the first game of the season. And we've signed, yes, barely anybody. It's going well here, guys. It's going extremely. Cheers, guys. Happy Saturday. We play Man United in less than 3 hours in a pre-season friendly in America. I will not be doing a watch-along. I will be in bed. I will not be probably even watching the game, if I'm honest. But it's what it is. We're going to see what's going to go down in LA today with Man United. Obviously, who have got more of their players available than we have, because obviously half of their team are scrubs as well and didn't even go to the Euros or anywhere. So they've just been plodding along in training. So they're probably going to beat us, if I'm honest. Although we're seeing it. We'll see. We struggled past Bournemouth the other night. On penalties, we look crap. I can't lie. We looked rubbish in that game, absolutely rubbish. But this is what it is. This is what Arsenal are. This is the bench that was fixed, a fixed bench. These are the fixed bench players that are still here, that now are deemed dead wood. When for 3 years or 4 years or so, we've been told, no, they're the greatest. Smith Rowe's the greatest. Oh my God, Reece can do a job. Eddie and Ketia make your apologies as loud as your disrespect and all of that crap. Yeah, these are the players here, guys. Kivior, oh, what a great signing. Okay, mate. Fabio Vieira, another one. But it's what we've got to deal with, guys. This is the squad that Super Duper Mick has put together. He's brought 28 players in his time here, and we've won fuck all apart from an FA Cup. So it's what it is, isn't it? It's what it is. You've got fans still doing the most. Now Calafiori's coming in. He's now the greatest looking centre back stroke left back hybrid player to have ever graced football. He wears a lovely headband and he's got a super exotic name. I mean, doesn't matter if he can win us anything. Yeah, it's all about the looks at Arsenal. It's all about the looks. They're very feminine men, these fans these days. It's quite worrying, if I'm honest, because that means the PR is working everywhere. But anyway, do smash the like button up. Do subscribe if you haven't. We're set on 100,698. So bless up to everyone who has subscribed. I do appreciate it. It's flying, I can't lie. Sub to Lee Reacts as well. I'll get that link in the title. But yeah, 21 days from now, we would have played our first fixture of the season. And we linked to 1,000,001 players. Julian Alvarez, Fabian Ruiz, Mikel Moreno. We're linked to everyone, guys. We're linked to everyone. I mean, we've bought half of Europe, we've bought half of the planet for us this summer. If you literally, we've been linked to about 170 players. About 170. It's actually mad how many players we've been linked to. But like I said before, there's an awful lot of people out here that are just desperate for a bit of clout. Desperate to get a little award, desperate to get to an award ceremony, desperate to get their mug on Sky Sports, desperate to get a job at their football newspaper or whatever. And they will do the most and twerk their bums to get the most fragile beings that roam the earth to watch their videos. And when I say most fragile beings, yes, you've guessed it, drum roll, Arsenal fan base. They are so weird, it is crazy, a lot of these people. They want instant gratification for everything. Yeah. Oh my God! Look, he did one back heel. That means he's going to be amazing for the rest. Get out of here. Yeah. But just be happy. Just be happy. Sometimes you're supposed to call your club out. Yeah. This is what it is, isn't it? We can all agree that the biggest club on the planet is Real Madrid. They call their club out all the time. They're fuming. They want a defender. They ain't got a defender yet. They're going nuts. They've just signed Mbappe, mate. And what we're doing here. But when you do it in England, you're not allowed to because that's negative and toxic. And the only reason it's deemed negative and toxic is because of the army of divs that buy into PR. It's a process, guys. It's a process. It's a youth project, is it? It's a youth project, yeah? Okay. How's that going? Do you remember when we had the British Corps? How did that work out? How did that work out? We've had younger squads at this football club of players than we've currently had under Super Duper Mick. For example, 08-09. Champions League semi-final we got that season. squad was younger than the one we've got now. Younger than any squad Super Duper Mix actually been in charge of. Well, what are we actually doing here? But again, the PR is strong. The PR was constantly strong throughout this. But it's a young squad. They're all going to get better together. Says who? So if they're all going to get better together, how comes Eddie and Ketia were trying to farm out for 50 million, by the way? 50 million. Cheers. 50 M's. If anyone's stupid enough to pay that, rip their arm off. Rip their arm off. Reece Nelson, going out on loan apparently to Leicester, if we believe that story as well. Eddie's will be a loan if it goes through, but Marseille don't want to pay 50. I won't blame them. He ain't worth 50 quid. Like, let's just be real with it. Like I said before, he runs around like a crackhead, kicking the can down the high road. He runs around like a dog chasing a tennis ball. That's exactly how he is when I see him on the pitch. He's like a dog chasing a tennis ball. Yeah, it's embarrassing that we gave him that 100 grand a week. But listen, if we get rid of him, happy days. But I'm not sure why he's still here. Right, Reece Nelson, another one. Smith Rowe, another one. These are the young players. It's a young squad. They all get better together. Well, how are them three getting on then? Last time I checked, they ain't getting better, are they? Don't look like they've got better to me. Does it look like they've got better to you guys? Does it look like they've got better? Because if they've got better, then what are we doing then? We should have kept him. Yeah, Fabio Vieira. How old's Fabio Vieira? Has he got better? Let's have a look and see how old Fabio Vieira is. 24. Has he got any better since he's been here 2 years? He ain't, has he? So how's that going then? Yeah, waffle. Yeah, we should be sponsored by Captain Birdseye because we've got more waffle than Birdseye, trust me. Yeah, it's embarrassing. We're 3 weeks away from starting our season. Kieran Tierney's still at this football club. Why? Everyone knows I rate Tierney. Why is he still here? The club don't want him. The manager don't rate him. Most of the fan base don't rate him. Yeah, it's crazy. It's actually crazy how these players are still here, by the way. That squad we have taken to America is absolutely embarrassing. It's an absolute embarrassment, that squad. And yes, we've got some of our bigger named players not available because of international duties and stuff like that. But not being funny, yeah. When I was sitting here and when I was saying it, and Kenny and Jez were saying it, Matty was saying it, Northside's saying it, Rants Inside when they come on the channel were saying it, and anyone else who was on the channel saying the same thing. Arsenal's bench is trash. It's trash. I think people are forgetting that. But they don't want to. They don't want to be part of this negative toxicity. Like, well, you can just say it as it is. It's the truth. You don't have to sit and lie to yourselves. You can lie to everyone else in the world because that's what you're doing. But you're not going to lie to yourself, are you? Because you know you're lying. Yeah, you know you're lying. You can pretend to everyone else. You can lie to your mum, your dad, your boyfriend, your sister, your unicorns. But when you look in the mirror in the morning, you can't lie to yourself, can you? Can't lie to yourself. And half of these people have been lying through their teeth since Arteta's been here. Yeah, lying through their teeth. What have I done here? Lying through their teeth since he's got it. They don't rate him as highly as they say they do. They don't rate most of these players. But again, that comes back to, you want to get the most traction, be super toxic positive. Can you imagine if I was super toxic positive since Arteta's been here? This channel would be on 500,000 subs because I actually have a personality. Yeah, I can actually hold an audience and I can actually chat. Like, it's easy to write a generic tweet, isn't it? It's easy to sit and do a clickbait title about Arsenal. Right, Arsenal are scary. Yeah, Arsenal's next 3 transfers revealed. Oh my god! Oh my god! These men take the piss, honestly. Yeah, real talk. These men just shout rubbish. I swear. We're 21 days away from the start of the season. 21 days, and we've signed an 18-year-old goalkeeper that's not going to get any game time. Yeah, and we signed Calafiori, who's then going to meet up on the tour. So he'll be there by the weekend, I'd imagine, because he ain't making it for the game tonight, is he? So he'll probably be there by the weekend. Yeah, and then this fan base will have their knickers around their ankles with a tissue out when he makes his debut in the pre-season games. Oh my god, Calafiori. These men are so zesty, man. Stop fancying footballers and try and fancy trophies instead. Yeah, because this is the aim of the game, and I'm sick to death of it. Like, honestly, I'm sick to death of we've got the best looking squad. We've got the best manager. We've got the best looking manager. They've even got that in the stadium. He's the best managed, best looking Spaniard we know. His looks got to do with anything. What's that all about? Win me trophies. Now, is anyone genuinely confident? I'd like you to leave this in the comments down below. Yeah, is anyone genuinely confident that Arsenal are going to win anything next season? Because last summer, everyone was hyping up all of our players, hyping up all of our signings again. Yeah, and said this has to be the year he wins something. Has to be the year he wins it, guys. And then we didn't. And now they've made up a load of bollocks excuses all summer. And now they're saying, no, this has got to be the year he wins it. Round and round and round we go, wasting another year. It's time to get someone that can actually get over the line, isn't it? Go and get some world-class players. Where are all the world-class players that we were supposed to be signing? Because we've got Champions League now. I mean, there's no excuses not to get world-class talent now. So where are they? We signed an 18-year-old goalkeeper and a centre-back that no fucker had heard of until about a month ago. Like, let's just deep it. Like, this is where we're at. You know, still got Reece Nelson at the club, Eddie Nketiah, Ramsdale, Tierney, right? All these players, Smith Rowe, Nelson, Jesus, Zinchenko, Vieira, they all need to go. They all need to get out the door. Why haven't we got rid of him yet? Samuel Lokonga, bye-bye, he's gone. Oh, sorry, my bad. He'll be back next summer because it's only a loan and they ain't going to do 12 mil on him. Then he'll have 1 year left. I don't think people realise how mismanaged we are. Honestly, I mean, just go, you know, you're only doing it to be get money and views and clicks. I'd earn more money, get more views, and get more clicks if I was being positive about this club all the time. You know, this club is a disgrace. Yeah, and too many people are sucked in by the PR around it. Yeah, this club has failed every year for 4 years to win a trophy. And look how happy everyone is. It's embarrassing. Honestly, it's genuinely embarrassing. And this year, yeah, I think a lot of people are going to wake up to reality because there's only so long you can keep lying, isn't it? Until eventually you've had enough yourself of lying. So you just say it as it is. It's going to be a long season. But yeah, we're linked to 1 billion players. Fabian Ruiz, I don't think we're getting Fabian Ruiz, if I'm honest, but who knows? And to be honest, you know, like, would he be any good for us? He's a sick footballer for Spain, but let's be real. You know, every time I've watched PSG, he's been crap. Like, real talk. Maybe we'll fit in. Maybe we are in for him. Mikel Moreno just got convinced herself is the second coming of flipping, I don't know, fucking Ruud Gullit or someone. He's not very good, guys. He's not very good. I watch the league every week. He's not very good. It's mad. It's actually mad. We need a striker, and I'm still seeing this link to no one other than Julian Alvarez, who's probably going to end up at Atleti. Now Dovbik's going to Roma. So round and round and round we go, guys. And sad, really, isn't it? But anyway, let me know your thoughts on all of that. Let me know whether you think we will actually sign anybody. Let me know where you think, as it stands right now, you think we're finished in the season, whether we'll win anything. Do you think we'll beat Man United? I don't know. Like I said, I probably won't even be watching it, if I'm honest. If I'm awake, I might put it on. I'm hoping to be asleep by then. But yeah, leave your thoughts and comments down below. Make sure you stick a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Lee Reacts title will be in the title. Lee Reacts title. Lee Reacts will be in the title. I've dropped a video on that channel about Pep Guardiola and Man City. So that's another one. We can't win until Pep leaves. Well, he might be staying now. How unlucky. Yeah, what we're going to do? Just keep this manager here for 9 years without winning a trophy? What are we Crystal Palace or someone? Is this what we're going to do? Mad. Anyway, let me know your thoughts and all of that. I'll be back again tomorrow. Love, bless. We're out. Edu out. Arteta out. Bosh.